Boy people, what are we a cocker eye full of mouth? What are we a cocker eye full of mouth? Become to talk about reason with chin and also cocker eye people. Because me a cocker eye fire some shot over the sub, but none of them connect. Me know so none of them connect. Someone want to like and share, like up the video, subscribe to the channel and leave on the top down below guys. Me say people, what are we out to the festive? If I'm done a queen bee, no me hear caca hype on her live. I talk up some things about reason with chin. And I tell the woman about her mother. And I say all kind of things about reason with chin. And I say reason with chin cannot compare with her. And I start to myself say, no, mental illness is a serious thing around the world. And to me, I don't know what fool MC. I don't know what fool her. But to me, I'm a milk MC. I'm a see is bad mind, old age, and dirty heart. She not happy for nobody. You see me? No. If Reason Wid decides to have a problem with your charity and things, she free to talk what she want to talk, say. Because remember the burn fire pandana charity back in the past. I remember we now forget about that. You see me? Now when me hear you talk and I say, yo, Reason Wid can't compare with you and I disturb about the woman body, flabber, and all kind of things. Take a look at yourself. I always say if you're looking at the mirror, you know. Looking at the mirror. But look like say the mirror is your enemy. Because you're not looking at the mirror. You're not looking for yourself. Listen to Reason Wid talk. Now all man not talk. So you know, so a young hot girl that. And you feel like say you're hot. You're not hot. You're not shot. You're cold up right about now. You soon are maybe having menopause right about now, people. So you know such a miserable. But I don't understand where you come from. I who for you, who send you come, I who pay you. You know say to yourself, you know look for yourself, you know realize say oh you just reach you. I need if you go retire right now and go find something go do. A full time now, big man like wanna come off of social media and go get a life and low young girl chin alone. You see me? Yeah man, low young vlogging, make the young girl them do them vlogging man and thing man and go sit down. Because big man like Uno, I want to come on social media to come show off. Because when you say your chin can't compare with you, me know you're there America, me know you not live no life. Because you're 40 years America, and you not have nothing to have to show. You're in a league by yourself. You see me? You not compete against nobody. Nobody no want to compete against you. Because you have nothing at all. All you have is 40 years of experience for your resume. Your resume said 40 years in America with nothing to show. How can you there America for so many years? I don't have nothing. No. Take Reasoningz Wid now. It's not every day she do a video. You see me? Because she should not depend on YouTube. She have other things to do. Otherwise some YouTube. But we see MC on YouTube almost every day. Every day. So you know so also share also. Also share also the business. To all you want make comparison to Reason Wid. You see me? Reason Wid love planka bass. And guess what? You don't love planka bass. Automatically you eat Reason Wid. Automatically you eat me because I like Dana. But I always to myself say, you know, you must always take the matter out of your eye before you take it out of somebody's eye. Look on yourself before you talk. Look at the direction that you are going. You see me? Because right about now, you look like say something definitely wrong with you upstairs. You look like say you need a mental evaluation. You look like say when you born, you born with your skull tight in your skull. You see me? You just upon social media and show off about tax and what you do in America. I mean I say to myself, say, as a real G, we call yourself MC, we have some dirty art. If you be a real G in a certain country, but guess what, I'm showing already so not real. Because I don't want to go to America. I want to figure out about Jamaica. I want to talk bad about people out here. I want to stay foreign and make life. And I want to see Jamaica again. Yeah man, so no found it on. I want to go to America and I live all kind of dirty life. And I want to come back on the country and discriminate the same Jamaican them who help you know. When you talk bad about the Jamaican them out here, we're poor, you see me? And discriminate people. And we not look upon yourself. When the American we not live no life. When just a bung some house to house from coach to coach. And yet still you want to come size up with people. And you don't have nothing for sure. what you have to show more than this bombardous Jeep what you have. And why people, me I tell you no, me don't want to storage Davy. Me don't want to storage Davy. All I should do is go around and catch a people yard and now live no life. How can you size up with the Reason Wid chin? You're the woman's son. Compared to you. You want to take up younger responsibility. You want to be young. And you're not young. You're old foot. And if you understand that, me don't understand what wrong them big women nowadays now. Them no want accept the facts that yo, them up in a age and them thing are water down right now. Them body shiver up, water down to the ground. And yet see them still want in a status. Them still want in a position. Them still want to be at. You see me? Remember, when you're young, they atta. But now, a young girl time now, and a big woman time now, and always I come on social media, and I try to be like on the act. No, it's not gonna work. It ain't gonna work. If you are not a hot girl, stay one side, and you will never be one MC. Because we look upon you, we see old foot. Old man. Accept the facts here, just old and done, and just nobody foolish. You see me? Because guess what now? Reason Wid free to talk with what she want to talk, say. Likewise you. But it's all you talk about it. And if you know the reason why you want so much people in a problem on social media, it's because you waste them. Because you dirty waste them. That's why people don't like you. You see me? People know themselves, say, enter them done as a not all and thing. You're quick to come out and burn out Dana, but you're quick to come out and burn out certain people. You see me? But you have to understand yourself one thing. Look for yourself. Sort out yourself. Because you are Maxine and one sister. Because that's all I'm good for do. I talk about what we want to have. What you have? We are competing. There's no competition there, so Reason Wid have our own thing and I do our own thing. What you have? As I wanted to myself, what wrong with them big women up on social media? Why them big women can't give the young girl them to live them life? Why them big women feel like they must in the young girl them spotlight? You see me? Because the young girl them know what it takes nowadays. But them big crusty back woman here, I waste them time on social media. And them should be there with them grandson or them granddaughter, rock them to sleep or give them buckle. Then they on social media and talk about people. You see me? People, let me say something to one thing, man. Kaka I saw a wake up call. She so get a wake up call. She not dirty mouth. All she good for, I fi cuss bad word. That's all. Cuss bad word and talk what she want to talk, say. You see me? But everything at all shall come to an end. But may I tell you upon honest, serious people, there's no comparison between Reason Wid and MC. It not gonna work. Yeah, man. It not gonna work. It's a big gap difference. I can obviously see it. One at, one not at. MC not at. MC shiver down and water down. See me? Only the young one time and then you want to become old. You want stuck as a young girl. No. It not gonna work and thing. See me? So you need to start with your life and live a different kind of life and stop. Go like you're at. You're not at. You see me? You have at a girl down the road there before you. And all you do, you just a boss and a boss and a boss and boss. You see me? Ain't going nowhere. Ain't going nowhere. So, better you go sit down on your ass and just get used to life and also as the life go. You see me? I know where I try people. But, I can swag go on here, guys. So, people, best upon yourself here, guys. So, every background nice, people. That's what I say. Yeah, man, the best upon yourself, man, and you know, and like and share and even talk them below people. Because I don't understand how MC I talk up the things them she can't defend nothing at all. So if you're an old man like you should be sitting down right about now with on pension. You're on social media because you're a young girl. And you understand that researching a young girl and she will take your hand and you can't go manage her. See me? Because guess what? Phone is long time days of cussing gone with. See me? A young girl run the thing right about now. Social media run the thing right about now. See me? So you right about now, just need to sit down and go find something to do. Because right now, your thing now shot, water down, lily down. Best of yourself.